Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your work is safe. Save files and let Cloud Sync finish so nothing is lost. Once done, close apps you opened. This reduces background processes that block shutdown. Next, use the Apple menu and choose Shut Down or press Control Option Command Power for an immediate request. You do this because Mac OS waits for apps to release files and finish tasks. Initiating shutdown now moves the machine into a controlled closure rather than an abrupt power loss. If the shutdown stalls, identify the holdup. Press Option Command-ESC to force quit any unresponsive app quickly. Make sure to look in Activity Monitor for processes using lots of CPU or disk that delay termination. Quitting those lets the system proceed. If the graphical shutdown fails, open Terminal and run sudo shutdown hnow. This tells Mac OS to halt immediately and is useful when the menu is unresponsive. You use these steps because system services must stop cleanly to avoid data corruption. Finish by confirming the shutdown dialog and then waiting. Don't force unplugging. You should see the screen go black and hear fans wind down. That indicates the hardware has completed its shutdown sequence. Once fully off, you can safely close the lid or store the laptop. If the Mac refuses to turn off, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force power off, and if problems repeat, reset the SMC or NVRAM as the primary troubleshooting step to resolve persistent power or hardware control issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.